What's in there? Is that for cooking? Look over here. Look. Come here. Look in here. Right here. Pull this one. What's in there? More? Is that for drinking Num Num? Look, you can put them in your refrigerator.
He wants a drink. He's trying to do the water. Oh, he just can't quite reach it.
Oh, there we go. Shh.
It's like, broken.
I know how this thing works. I like your tippy-toeing effort. That's good work. All right. Did you get a drink? Did you get a drink? Look, here's some fruit. You want to wash your vegetables? You want to wash them in the sink?
He needs a little step stool. You can get his black one. Probably scratch it.
No, wait till it's dry completely. You want to put these in the refrigerator?
Hmm.
Can you say thank you, Dada? Thank you, Santa? Look, this one opens too. What's down here? For cooking. You want to put them on your stove? Look, you're making a feast. And here's your spoon. Here's another spoon. Here's your spatula. You put it in here? We can put it in here. Yeah, it's right there, so you can get it wherever. What's your food? Num num. Look, Tato. Should we cook a Tato? Look, we'll cook Dada's favorite, eggplant. You want to cook mushrooms?
Covey.
In the kitchen?
Covey. Over here. Covey. Covey. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I think it's a hit. That's for your leftovers.